These are the Amaco Kiln Ice Glazes, inspired by Chinese guanware, a revered ceramic tradition from the Southern Song dynasty. They form a frosted, crystalline surface of fine cracks, called crazing, that looks like ice. For the best contrast, use them over dark or buff clays that do not contain manganese. Apply to Kono 4 bisqueware using multiple, heavy-brushed coats rather than one thick layer for better crackle results. Allow proper drying time between coats, especially as the glaze gets thicker. More coats enhance the crackle effect, while fewer coats allow the clay body to emerge subtly through the fractures. Glaze thickness can affect the size of the crackle, smaller and tighter when thin, larger and hexagonal when thick. Fire to cone 5 or 6 and let the chemistry work. Allow your fired piece to sit for a day or two for the full snowflake crackle effect to take place. The crackle pattern of kiln ice interacts beautifully with any form, emphasizing curves, edges, and contours in a variety of colors with aesthetic versatility.